Tangsalo Rasbabano Khlaijak RakhiBandhan Utsav Pandano ChengsawiRwkha Hasteni Hastepha IndraSena ReddyNallu
Pandao kabangma organization ni buriro bai khajaka Hastepha IndraSena ReddyNallu Pandao manjaka Prajapati Brahmakumari Ishwariya University Naikol Ojamarokte Kalyan Ashram no khobai kubun social organization adongrok aba haikeno ashalo CRPF Jawan Stroke ni manjak mongo Rajbabani Darbar Hall nago Khlaijaka Rakhi Utsav Panda.
All of you on the occasion of RakhiBandhan, a festival symbolizing the immense love between brother and sister. May this holy festival bring new sweetness in the relationship of all of you and happiness, prosperity and good fortune in life. All of us know the situation happening in and around everybody, unwarranted, for which we have to condemn, and it is high time to remember our values, ethics and festivals, out of which important is Rakhi, traditional festival over centuries from its days. Today we celebrate RakhiBandhan. Our hearts are filled with a mix of emotions. We are reminded of the unconditional love and protection that exists between brothers and sisters. But we are also aware of the challenges that our society faces. We live in a time where women's safety is a growing concern, where the news of gruesome attacks, harassment and discrimination against women is becoming all too common, where the very fabric of our society is being threatened by intolerance, inequality and injustice. But my dear friends, Rakhi is not just a festival, it is a call to action. It is a reminder that we as brothers have a responsibility to protect and empower our sisters, to create a society where they can live without fear, where they can thrive and reach their full potential. As we tie the Rakhi on our brother's wrist, we pray for their well-being, their success and their happiness. But we also pray for the courage and strength to stand up against injustice, to fight for equality and to protect the vulnerables. Let us pledge to create a society that is inclusive, compassionate and just. A society where women are treated with dignity and respect, where they have equal opportunities and where they can live without fear of violence or discrimination. Let us all recognize the importance of education, empathy and understanding in building a better future. Let us work together to create a world where everyone has access to quality education, health care and opportunities. As we celebrate Rakhi, let us come together, let us spread love and happiness and let us make this world a better place for all. Thanking you.
Raja Khorang Shimi Pronam Nikoktum Chini Khorang.